Hey guys, so you can't really see me, but I actually just finished making a video for you guys, and it started pouring, and it was about the weather, and it wasn't pouring before. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like outside. So it looks so bad. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm soaked now. My legs are soaked. So, thanks a lot, weather. Whatever. Yeah. It's crazy. I hope Calgary, we do not get a flood again. That will be really fucking shitty. But yeah. So, it's actually pretty bad out. Yeah, I really hope we don't get a flood. This camera is not doing me justice, but you know what? Whatever. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. So yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna do, next video I'm gonna be doing questions, probably sometime next week. So, ask me questions and I will, answer them for you guys, okay?